Today we're going to be insulating this room that we've been working on from a porch to a laundry room. It's 2x4 walls. So we're going to put all 15 insulation in the walls. We're going to insulate the ceilings as well. All we have is 2x4 space. So we can't put anything any thicker than all 15 in there as well. Normally you would put a lot thicker insulation in your ceilings from R30 up, and then the floors you put like an R19, but we can't get to the bottom of the floors. As far as the tools you need for insulation, get you a knife, get you a measuring tape, get you a straight edge, get you one of these hammer staples and make it a lot easier when you're putting your insulation up. 16-inch space. Insulation going in between the walls. 16-inch space. Measure. All gonna be about the same, about 37 inches. This is compressed 5 pieces in this plastic. I want to have some gloves and some long sleeve shirts on. Measure 37 3/4. When installing insulation, always put your paper side to the inside of your room. See these flaps? These will fold out. These flaps fold out. You nail these flaps to your studs. If you're working by yourself, I'm going to go ahead and pre-cut some pieces. That way you can roll. This piece of insulation was already previously put in. So I'm going to take it out and turn around. A lot of people don't insulate inside walls. They just insulate the outside walls. But I'm going to insulate the inside wall. That's why I've done it in my own house. And I'm going to do it here. That was an R13. Some places you can use R13, and that's fine since it's on the inside wall. But I got this R15, so I'm going to take that now and replace it with R15. Space is only 10.5, so I'm going to have to rip it long ways. window out, nail a piece of plywood in its place, seal that hole up, and go from the other side and paint it or do something else to dress it up. All these little scrap pieces, these short pieces, are very important. Don't throw them away. There will be a use for them in little smaller places. Any little nooks and crannies, like all along up in here. That's why a lot of times I like to do stuff myself, so you don't waste any material. You got somebody else doing it for you, they'll waste your material because they don't care. You know, so even if you don't know how to do anything or don't want to know or whatnot, if you're not going to do it yourself, at least you should want to know what's going on, so you know when people wasting your material and stuff. Room has now been insulated. Ceiling. Ceiling is insulated. I could only put an R15 in the ceiling because all I had was that 3.5 inch space from your 2x4. Normally you put minimum R30 depending on where you live, but minimum R30 and up. Some places needs to be a R38 or R49 and go up to a R60. Around your windows, some people put insulation under there around your windows. Then some people get a can of that spray foam and put around your window.